Hi. Hey, hi guys, this is Omziridi. I'm back with another video. Uh, this is a new playlist which I have started on probability and stats. Why the problem? I separately created this stats and probability because in data science, stats and probability play a main role to solve the problems, to solve the real-time world problems. So that's in that case, I have started this new playlist on about stats and probability. Both are combined in this playlist. Day by day I will explain each and every content I will place in the to express you as in my own words. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel to support me a lot to get a more content to you. And today video we are going to start the introduction of the stats. What are the types of stats and what is population and sample. Let's start the video. Okay, what is mean by stats? Actually the stats is a branch of mathematics. It is deals the collection and analyzing the representation of mass of a numerical data. Basically stats is a collection and analyzing and representation of a numerical data. We have numerical values like 1 2 3. If there is a central tendency methods like mean, median, mode, by using for example, if you give an input as 1 2 3, we want to find the mean, we want to find the mode, median, analyze the data, collection of the data, and then represent the way of representing that outputs. These are overall under the stats which can use the okay. Simply we can say that stats is a mathematical branch of mathematics. And it deals with the collection and analyzing and representing the mass of a numerical data. It is only deals with the numerical data. Okay, basically the stats are divided into two types. One is the descriptive and inferential stats. Inferential stats. What is mean by descriptive stats and inferential stats? Whereas a descriptive stat is the data is described in a summarized way. We can summarize the data in a we can describe the data in a summarized way, like by using the plots of Instagram, pie plots, bar plots, scatter plots, anything. It is a visualization of a data description. Summarizing, we want to give a summarizing for that data. How can the data is used? How can the data is summarized? We want to analyze the data, and by using these plots. And second one is inferential statistics. What is mean by inferential statistics? To describe the meaning of the collection of data. It is the meaning of to describe the meaning of collection. It means that you want to describe the meaning, like exactly meaning of what we have collected the data. Like if you can collect the data numerical 0 to 1, we can say it is a numerical data between 0 to 1, with range of 10 between the 0 to 1. Between the 0 to 1 there is a lot of the numerical values connected. 0.0001, 0.002 is up to 1. It has content lot of. We want to describe the real meaning of the collection of data. And inferential statistics is used the probability principles also. By using the probability principles also we can describe the inferential statistics. And we can by inferential statistics can do the hypothesis testing, t-testing, p-testing, Chaucy testing. There is a lot of testing tools in there. Later on our videos I will explain each and everything about the testings. Okay, these are the main differences between what is mean by stats and this types of stats. And the next one we are going to moving about population and sampling. What is a population? Why we use the population? Population is the set of observation that can be made. It means, for example, in India there is 1 billion people. So we want to find the heights and each of the person. It is not possible to calculate the heights of the 1 billion people. So in that case, we use the sample. Sample is a subset of largest population. We can take some sampling of the places like. If you take some in India there is a states, we can take the Andhra Pradesh state. We can calculate in Andhra Pradesh, it is a sample of data. We can take Delhi, it is a sample of data of a population, whole Indian population 1 billion. Okay, like that we can use to calculate the heights of a sample population. It means it is nearly to the overall population averagely. You can find the averagely the overall the population. This is the main differences between population and sampling. Why the sampling is used? Because to calculate the huge amount of data, by taking a small amount of data, we can simply consider that the data is perfectly alright to calculate the population data. Okay, I hope you all understand about this, what is mean by stats and types of stats, and what is probable population and sample. These are the main things in this video I have discussed. And the next video I will explain about the probability, basics probability, types of probability, and addition rule and multiplication rule. Like this basics of probability and introduction I will discuss about the next video. I hope you are all understand about this video. For more updates about the data science and anything, any languages do you want, please make sure in the comment box. I will try to explain about that, and I will try to make a videos on that languages. Okay, I hope you all understand. Okay friends, bye, take care.